James and Zach here from DenaliWeld.
Today we're going to be using our 4,000 watt machine. We're going to be going through a range of different materials and thicknesses. Really today we want to show you what the penetration is going to look like at different wattage levels. We're going to start out at 1,500 watts. We're going to move up to 2,000 watts, and then eventually we'll go to 3,000 and 4,000 watts. Along with that, we're going to be doing a cut and etch just so you guys can see all that penetration.
All this testing is going to be done on our thinner materials are going to be all carbon steel. On our thicker 3/8 and 1/2 inch plate, that will be on aluminum at 3,000 and 4,000 watts. Again, like Zach said, show you that maximum penetration we can get per wattage and really push the machine to the limit.
And the goal today really is just to show you what each machine is capable of. So when we're at 1,500 watts, you'll be able to see what a 1,500 watt machine is capable of, 2,000 watts, a 2,000 watt machine, etc. So that's really the goal with today's video.
Let's get into some welding.